Hello guys, welcome to Legend Lines, and today we have a look at parallel connection of resistors. Now we've already seen how we can connect resistors in series and how we can actually find the effective resistance of those resistors in series. Let's look at that for parallel connection. Now resistors are said to be in parallel when the voltage across each of them is the same. The fact that different currents flow through some particular resistors does not necessarily mean that they are in parallel. And again, the fact that we have some particular resistors which are not in series does not also mean that they are in parallel. As we've already seen, it is possible for us to have some resistors which are neither in series nor in parallel. As said, resistors in parallels have the same voltage across them. However, it is a bit difficult to determine whether or not the voltages across some particular resistors are the same. And so what we do is that in order to tell whether some two resistors, this way actually works for only two resistors, then it will be possible for us to traverse a path through the two resistors without necessarily having to go through another circuit element. So when you traverse a path around these two resistors, we actually don't meet any third element, being it another resistor or even a battery or something. Then we can say these two resistors are in parallel. From the Ohm's law, we know I to be equal to V dividing R. And as earlier said, with parallel connection, we have the voltages being the same, but then there will be different current flowing through the individual resistances. So we have I being equal to I1 plus I2, the current from the source, and that becomes V dividing R, then V1 R1 plus V2 R2. I already said that the voltage across these two resistors are all the same, so we have V to be equal to V1, which is also equal to V2. And so in place of that, we have V over R being equal to V over R1 plus V over R2. And that becomes 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Solving this, we have R2 to be equal to R1 by R2 dividing R1 plus R2. When we have two or more resistors in parallel, then their total resistance is given by finding their products and dividing it by their sum. So generally, we have R1 by R2 by Rn. That would be per the number of resistors that we have plus Rn. We have this example here, and you can see that these 2 and 3 are in parallel, which are also in series with that. And we have 2 and 3 being in parallel, all in series with the 1. This becomes 2 by 3, 2 plus 3. Get 6 by 5 plus 1, and our answer turns out to be 11 dividing 5 ohms. Alright, so guys, that will be all for now. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to stay connected.